short, it's tiny change of weight, but the follower has this possibility of playing with the foot that is briefly free of weight. For the leader, when we lead this, we have to be not changing too much. It's very compressed and synthetic movement in a little space. So you give a little bit of energy, but not a big weight, tiny bit. I will continue to make the follower go from the 1 into the 2. That will help you understand also the movement. This one, if I choose to make this a repetition, but now look, when the follower steps forward with her right, and when she steps forward, I will do a side step. I cross behind when she changes weight. Here, when the follower puts her weight on her left foot, I cross behind. So I lead the follower back, and that moment I cross behind. When I make her do forward step, I will do a side step. So, back, and follower puts her weight on her left, I am cross behind. When the follower does the 1, I do a side step. Again, back, and the 1, and I do a side step. In the 2 of the follower, my right foot goes to the center, closer to her right foot, but aiming here to the center. See, to be at the center, my foot will go close to her right foot. So that's the idea. Again, she changes weight, I cross behind. She does the 1, I do a side step. She does the 2, I am getting my right foot in between her feet. And then I am in front of her in parallel system. Again, change weight, crossing behind. She does 1, I do side step. She does the 2, I am getting in between her feet, and I am in front of her in parallel system. So when I do this in the line of dance, it should let me go back to the line of dance. Ta, pa, ta, back to the line of dance. Give it a try. Keep practicing also that repetition. But if you do this one, go directly into the movement. Use that starting point to go into that turn.